Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing the last two stop eating spicy hot Cheetos. It's the fire hot. So the rule is we can't drink water. Wait, I have a question. What does the winner get? Water. What does the loser get? 5 more of hot Cheetos. Then you can have water. Wow. So I'm gonna give my 5 right now, just in case I lose. No, it's okay. I may lose. You won't. You just gotta stop. So, stop. We gotta like this video if you want a shout out, and if shout out. Yeah, a shout out. Yeah. If you got name Aaliyah, you gotta get it. If your name is Emerson, you have a shout out. Yeah, in Aaliyah. Okay, so stop. Go to our YouTube shorts and comment #AG and then done. We'll give you a shout out. Actually, Ali, should do not put slash at the end. It should Ali. #AG. #AG. I mean, Aaliyah don't work. She need to do sliders on these sliders in the wall. #AG. Okay, so let's start. I can do the myself. Look what she did. No, that was you. We all know that was her. If you watched our craft videos. No, don't watch. That was definitely her. That was definitely her. Okay, so let's start this video. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Mine is it's so red. Say Yoda. 3, 2, 1. Eat it. Yes, go. But the only reason why I'm doing this is to like the video and subscribe, and then I'll do it. They did it. Let's go. Because a lot of you guys are so naughty. Because when you guys should unsubscribe from our YouTube channel. We have 8. We used to have 9. Now we have 8. But that's definitely not me. Low-key, I think it was Emerson. Emerson, did you do this? Did you do it? I swear, if you did it, If this was my BFF in kindergarten, Aaliyah, then I'm gonna kill her. Oh, that's offensive. But I really offending. Turn on battle. We're having like 20. Okay. So let's start. Yeah. So I just already ate mine. So running for my second one. Oh! Stop! You're allowed to do that. Okay, I'll stop. It's so hot. Oh, she lost. It was too hot. I'm sorry. It was too hot. Anyways, I'm still going. I need to eat 5 more. Oh my god. I pick. Just pick tiny ones. Number 1. I should have it in my mouth. No. Number 1, go. Since you lost, I could have one. So good. Next one. Look how big this one is compared to Gigi's nose. No, you can't. You're gonna have to restart now. I didn't drink any though. Yeah, you did. No, I didn't. Fine, take it. My second one. Like, all you have to do is eat it like this, like. My God. The third? Yeah. And my third one already. I'm picking my fourth. And my fifth. No, that was my fourth.
You guys think she's gonna do it?
This is my fourth one.
Now I'm gonna pick your fifth one. Let's see. No, you can't. You'd have to restart. This big thing. No.
Okay.
Nope, you can't. You're gonna have to eat it again. Oh. Let's zoom you guys out. No, you didn't swallow it. You have to swallow it. She's not swallowing.
I did.
Let me see. She's done.
Guys, I just got my shot.
Drink. Anyways, bye guys. I'm so sorry this video was so short.
And make sure to unsubscribe.
Make sure to subscribe.
Yeah.
Sorry that this video was so short. She quit. Oh, sorry to tell you, but next video we're gonna post a YouTube show. Thank you for our new YouTube show. It went viral. It was like 703 people watched it.
Oh yeah, it did.
Thank you so much.
So thank you so much. We love your support and your love. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of our family.
Make our family
Glow like a rainbow.
Yeah, glow like a rainbow. Bye.
And every single person that goes, make sure to have these girl power in your heart. But boys, forget about that. But if you boys that really love and care about a lot of girls, then I think you'll be good for our family too. We love all
any people, anyone. Bye. Bye.
Bye.